All right, so Adidas sent me over 3 pairs of sneakers right here as a thank you for my Ultraboost 21 video. Like, my head's gonna explode. Like, how crazy has it been? Like, already 2021 is awesome. Anyway, got 3 pairs of shoes. Want to show you these? Let's go ahead and jump into the video. Yo, what is going on, guys? Hes here, collectivekicks.com. If you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, notification bell, blah, 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 you guys know. If you guys want to go to collectivekicks.com, that's where I post all the sneaker deals on Twitter and stuff, and then it uploads them over to my website, and you guys can just see what I post through the week. And if you guys want to buy any of these shoes, check the links in the description of this video. So anyways, as I mentioned, Adidas sent me over 3 pairs of sneakers as a thank you for my Ultraboost 21 video. Like, how freaking cool is that? One of them I know what colorway it is, and I'll show you that in a second. But then I also did get this one right here, which is super dope. This is a Volt and white and black colorway, and it's actually cool to be able to get these and see the differences between this and some of the other colorways. So some of you guys already know I do have the gray colorway right here. This is actually my very first colorway that I got of the Ultraboost. Then I also have the white colorway that I hydro dipped. If you guys missed that video, it was actually pretty fun. Anyway, this is the launch colorway of the Ultraboost 21, and I gotta say I like the usage of the Volt color on this one. It's super bright, and you can see it comes down through the prime knit, back through here, and then all the way around the toe to the other side. It looks like a giant smiley face. And then you do have the Volt in the heel cup as well with the Ultraboost right there. Also really, really bright Volt in the insoles of the shoe. Primeblue made with Parley Ocean Plastics in big letters down there in pink. And then to continue that theme, you can see on the outsole of the shoe there is a little trace around of pink, and then a little bit of gray and black. And then to finish it off, you have some nice clear milky outsole as well. Volts for that LEP system at the bottom of the shoe that gives you that little extra push, as they said. But it is a pretty cool looking colorway, and I gotta say it looks good on feet as well. I do like the 3 stripes with a translucent cage for the laces. I think it looks really, really clean on there as well. But a really nice colorway, and super, super cool that they sent that one over. Moving on though, this is the other one that I was actually expecting to get, and I'm super glad that they sent this one because it's my favorite colorway of the Ultraboost 21 so far. Even though there's no color to it, it's obviously triple black. But anytime you have a triple black Ultraboost, I'm pretty sure I'm going to be buying it. It's just one of those things for every single year. It seems like they have one, and I like the overall vibes of the triple black. The very, very first thing I did, as I posted over social media already, was I did the Hypebeast lacing on the cage. I think it looked really clean the way you could do that, similar to the way that people did on the OG Ultraboost. If you don't know what that is, basically it's lacing it up, and then in between each of the cage pieces, you stick the laces through, and then you weave it back and forth through all the way up. It just basically adds an extra 2 little spots for the laces, so the laces aren't extra long, and then it just leaves it nice and clean looking if you turn them inwards. I don't know, it looks really nice in my opinion. Triple black Ultraboost though, with the black prime knit upper, and then the smoked out cage, and then you have kind of a matte black Ultraboost midsole, which is pretty cool to see because this is a really, really giant boosty midsole, and to have them black it out looks really cool in my opinion. Then on the outsole, you do have black as well as like a smoke feel to the bottom of the shoe. So even though this is a triple black colorway, I do like that they use different elements of black, so it's not the same tones. This is an example. You have a smoked cage. The LEP is smoked out on the back as well as smoked out sort of on the heel cup of the shoe, matte black on the midsole, and then kind of that regular jet black or whatever on the knit materials. So a really cool colorway, and I think these ones look really good on feet as well. Which one do you like better out of these two? The white and Volt or the black colorway? Drop a comment and let me know in the comment section. Personally, I actually think I like these 2 colors the best out of all the colorways that dropped. So great to have both of them in the collection. And then the last pair that they sent over a different pair. This is an Adidas 4D, and this was like just a little extra bonus one. And I did do a video review on the very first one of these, but it's cool to see some other crazy colorways drop into this wild looking shoe. And this is Adidas 4D Fusio. I still don't even know if that's the right way to say the name. For this colorway, they actually didn't mask up that 4D technology as much as some of the other ones. It's kind of like a frosted clear plastic rubberized material that covers it in this one, so you can see the 4D under there. And actually, I did see a video or an Instagram post, somebody actually removed that on the shoes to have the 4D fully exposed. I thought that was a really clever move. I mentioned that in the video, and somebody tagged me. Shout out to those people that tagged me of somebody actually doing that, because I thought that was pretty cool to be able to see. But I actually really like the elements of this shoe. The knit material on the upper, I like the different patches of the knit. As I mentioned, the toe box there kind of looks like a heart. But then you have these really cool little plastic pieces for the laces, and it's the same theme through the back of the shoe here. They do fit pretty long though. I wear a 9.5 usually, and I could probably do a size 9 in these. The other one I got the wrong size. I got a size 10 and it was totally too big, so I actually returned them. Check out the outsole too. I really like the overall look of the outsole with the little red hits on the bottom. I've said this a number of times, but the people that do the color blocking on Adidas sneakers, they should get a raise, man. A lot of the colorways that they come out with, I'm super feeling. Like, I don't know what it is, but they always make really good colorways for just random models that don't get all the shine and the love of the limelight and stuff. But I see you guys out there. You guys are doing some cool stuff, man. And I like this colorway as well as a couple of the other ones that I've seen released now. But anyway, if you guys want to buy a pair of these, check the link in the description. They are about $200 for those wondering. And these are not included in an Adidas sale right now. They do have an Adidas sale for 20% off. One of the things that I bought that I'm waiting on to get in the mail is actually the Ultraboost 21 sock. If you guys actually want to see a review on that, I can totally do that because I'm curious to see how they fit with the Ultraboost 21s. But I bought a couple of those and can't wait to give those a try. But that's the video, man. Thank you, Adidas, for sending these over. You guys rock. And again, if you guys want to buy the Ultraboost 21, check the link in the description. I will be doing a month after wearing Ultraboost 21 video because I've been wearing one of them a ton, the white pair primarily, but really love the shoe, and the overall look of the shoe is just awesome in my opinion as well. But thank you guys for stopping by and watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Have a good rest of the day out there, and maybe we'll see you guys back here for some more videos. Peace, guys.